Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to set app permission in Windows 11. So if you have specific application that you want to control how to do that, let's jump straight into it guys. Go to search menu and type settings. Want to open it? Go to privacy and security. Click on it. Want to go to here app permission. Whatever apps you want to permission it want to select the apps. For example, I'm going to camera. Scroll down. Whatever features you want it, you can enable here guys. Whatever apps you are looking to make the adjustment for, and make sure that's are turned for the apps. And you want to go to apps. You want to go to installed apps. For example, you having issue with any apps over here. I'm going here camera. For example, I'm going camera. Go to advanced option. You want to app permission. Want to everything is stand on. Want to check, yeah, whatever you want it. That's it guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely help you guys. Thanks for watching my video.